Mature men. I understand that over time the body might not respond the way it used to. Erections may become less intense, and this change can affect confidence and impact intimate life. However, there are natural resources that can boost sexual health in a simple and accessible way. Today, I bring you a special selection of 10 natural drinks that, when consumed regularly, can strengthen rigidity and bring quick results for a more satisfying intimacy. These juices and aphrodisiac drinks, used for centuries, are valuable allies for those who wish to maintain a vigorous sex life and enjoy every moment to the fullest. Before we continue, check if you're already subscribed to the channel, so you don't miss any of our videos on sexual health and relationships. Leave a like to support the channel, and in the comments type 1 if you found the topic interesting, or 0 if it wasn't relevant. This feedback helps us improve future content. I understand that as the years go by, the body might not respond as it once did. Erections can become less strong and may not last as long as we would like. This can lead to a sense of insecurity and even impact intimacy, but it's worth remembering that nature is always on our side, offering many ways to revitalize the body. Among these options are certain foods. And today, I want to talk about natural juices. These aphrodisiac juices are not a magical solution, but can provide great benefits. I'll list 10 options that not only help improve erections, but also contribute to physical and emotional well-being. With regular consumption, they can make a real difference in quality of life. First on the list, watermelon juice. This juice is special because watermelon contains a substance called citrine, which helps blood vessels expand. It works similarly to certain medications that improve circulation, allowing blood to flow more easily to areas that need a good supply to function well. Drinking a glass of this juice in the morning can help boost energy levels by the evening, besides being tasty and refreshing. It's full of water, which keeps the body well hydrated, a crucial point for sexual health to support you in your journey toward a fuller and more satisfying sex life. I'm offering the digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality. After 60 in this book, you'll find practical and inspiring guidance for strengthening relationships, overcoming emotional and physical challenges, and rekindling passion and connection in marriage. Get your copy by accessing the first pinned comment, but be quick. Copies are limited. Take this opportunity to transform your love and emotional life. Now let's get back to our list of juices. Second, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is a fruit rich in antioxidants that help improve blood circulation and keep blood pressure balanced. Research shows that drinking pomegranate juice daily for at least 2 weeks can lead to a significant improvement in erection quality. A small glass in the morning makes a big difference, allowing the body to absorb all the benefits throughout the day. This juice is a great ally for both heart health and sexual well-being. Third, celery and cucumber juice. This green juice is a great natural tonic. Celery contains androsterone, a hormone linked to increased desire, while cucumber is excellent for keeping the body hydrated together. These ingredients make a light and refreshing drink, great for sexual health drinking. This juice 2 to 3 times a week not only improves circulation, but also has a calming effect, reducing stress or contributing to more enjoyable moments of intimacy. Fourth, ginger and lemon juice. This is an energy-packed juice. Ginger is famous for improving blood circulation, especially in sensitive areas, while lemon brings a high dose of vitamin C, which boosts vitality. When combined, they make a powerful juice that can give a great boost for a special night. A single cup is enough to feel ginger's invigorating effect, warming the body and preparing it for more intense moments. Fifth, banana and almond milk smoothie. This blend is a great way to start the day. Strong banana packed with potassium helps blood flow better, while almond milk provides essential fatty acids that the body needs to produce important hormones for desire. This smoothie is perfect for an energy boost and increased libido, making it ideal for breakfast. 6th, strawberry and grape juice. This combination is full of benefits. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants that help protect cells, while grapes are high in resveratrol, a compound that makes blood vessels more flexible together. These two ingredients create a delicious juice that not only improves circulation, but also supports skin and heart health. It's a great idea to drink this juice 3 times a week, preferably with meals to maximize all its benefits. 7th, beetroot juice. This juice is powerful because beetroot helps blood vessels dilate, allowing blood to flow more easily, even to intimate areas. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can improve stamina and even the quality of erections. Since the flavour is quite strong, it's best to start with half a cup, ideally in the afternoon, and gradually increase the amount as you get used to it. 8th, maca juice. Maca is a root native to the Andes, traditionally used to boost desire and sexual energy. This juice is ideal for those wanting to enhance vitality and also support sperm production and hormonal balance. Simply mix maca powder with your favourite juice and drink a glass daily to enjoy its benefits over time. 9th, pineapple and honey juice. This combination is fantastic for boosting energy and vitality. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps raise testosterone levels and contributes to better quality erections. Honey, on the other hand, is a great natural energizer. This juice is an excellent choice before a special date or as a little boost before intimate moments. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning a juice that, even though not in the main list, deserves attention for its aphrodisiac effect: baru juice. This tropical fruit is famous for being a real boost to sexual energy. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, boho helps increase testosterone levels, improve circulation, and give a sense of vitality. Drinking this juice 2 or 3 times a week can improve sexual drive and vitality. It can be consumed with water or mixed with other juices, a great natural option for those looking to revitalize their intimate life. If you're looking for something extra for your menu of aphrodisiac juices, try Bajo and feel the difference in your special moments. 10th, cocoa and almond juice. Cocoa is full of theobromine, which stimulates the nervous system and lifts the mood, combined with almond rich in zinc and magnesium. This drink helps maintain hormonal balance. This juice is an excellent choice for a warm, cozy evening drink, setting a relaxing and close atmosphere for special moments to close our video. Today, leave a comment telling us which of these drinks caught your attention the most. We want to know which one you're thinking of trying. And don't forget to like the video. Your support is very important for us to keep bringing useful content for health and well-being. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these natural tips. If you're not yet subscribed, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our next videos on health and vitality. See you soon.